Hi, in this video we are going to see the non-teaching positions on a contract basis from the Railway Institute. That means it is related to the railway jobs, guys. And here the salary is up to 1,67,900 rupees per month. And the candidates who are having the undergraduation as well as the post-graduation, you can watch this video, guys. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are looking for such type of notifications, then please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification, and give me one like for this video, guys. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is a National Rail and Transportation Institute deemed to be university. So from this one here we got the recruitment notification for the non-teaching positions on contract basis. Okay, so it is located in the Vadodara, Gujarat, guys. And this notification came on the July 7, 2021. So notice for recruitment to non-teaching positions. So here in the multiple disciplines, the vacancies are announced. So please check one by one, guys. And the non-teaching positions on contract basis for 3 years on consolidated monthly compensation. So while coming to the first one, Chief Administration and Outreach Officer, engagement 3-year contract, consolidated 1,67,900 rupees per month. Number of position 1, unreserved category, age is less than 50 years is preferred. And coming to the educational qualification, PG in the field of marketing, communication, administration or related field with 55% of marks. At least 10 years of relevant experience in the position related to administration, marketing or the corporate relations at reputed educational institutes. And preferred and duties and responsibilities are given here. Next one is director, engagement 3 years contract, compensation 1,67,900 rupees per month, unreserved category, and the age limit is less than 50 years is preferred. Educational qualification, PG qualification or equivalent or advanced degree in education, business, administration or a related field with minimum 55% of marks. At least 10 years of relevant management experience in reputed university or the organization. And preferred and duties and responsibilities are given here. You may check down, guys. Coming to the director, engagement 3 years contract, 1,67,900 rupees per month. One position under the unreserved category, less than 50 years is preferred. So PG qualification or advanced degree in education, business, administration or related with 55% of marks. At least 10 years of experience in the relevant experience in the reputed university or the organization. So preferred and the duties and responsibilities are given. You may check down. Next, Chief Technology Officer, 3 years, same 1,67,900 rupees per month. One post under the unreserved category, less than 50 years is preferred. Undergraduate degree in computer science, information technology, engineering or equivalent with 55% of marks, with relevant experience of 3 years in a technical scientific post. And the desirable skills and experiences are given, so you may check down. Next one is Human Resource Officer, 3 years contract, 78,800 rupees per month. One post for the unreserved category, less than 40 years is preferred. PG qualification in management with at least 55% of marks, or else its equivalent grade in CGPA or UGC point scale with good academic record. At least 5 years of relevant experience. And next, Student Activities Officer, 3 years contract basis, 78,800 rupees per month. One post under the unreserved category, 40 years less than is preferred. So PG degree with at least 55% of marks in the CGPA or UGC point scale with good academic record, and at least 5 years of relevant experience must be there. And coming to the communication officer, 78,800 rupees per month. One post is there. So PG qualification with 55% of marks. Any PG, guys. Okay, and at least 5 years of relevant experience must be there. Next, Deputy Warden, one position is there, and 48,900 rupees per month. Bachelor's degree with 55% of marks, and 10 years of overall and 3 years of relevant experience must be there. And admin assistant, 49,100 rupees per month. Total 3 positions are there. Okay, and less than 35 years is preferred. Bachelor's degree with 55% of marks and 3 years of work experience, and should possess 8,000 key depression per hour for data entry work. Proficiency in computer is required. Next, physical instructor or yoga trainer, bachelor's degree in physical education or yoga with at least 50% of marks from a recognized university, and at least 3 years of experience must be there. 49,100 rupees per month. And the laboratory assistant, consolidated 30,900 rupees per month. Okay, one post is there. Bachelor's degree in the relevant branch of science with at least 55% of marks and at least 3 years relevant experience must be there. Will you prefer physics? And laboratory technician, 30,900 rupees per month. Total 7 positions are there. Diploma in the relevant branch of engineering, mechanical, civil, electronics and communication, computer engineering with at least 55% of marks and 3 years of working experience must be there. So total these are the different vacancies, guys, and I will provide this website link in the description box of this video. So all the interested candidates may check down, and here whatever the position or whatever the thing you want to apply here, click on the corresponding online application form. So if you want to apply for the 2 different vacancies, then you have to fill up the 2 different application forms, guys. And offline applications are not entertained. Okay, no offline applications or CV by email will be accepted. And online application started on 7th July 2021 and closes on 8th August 2021. Few general instructions and the conditions are given here, so you may check down, guys. Okay, so these are all the details regarding this one. And if you want to get the more notifications like this, then please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month, and if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.